What's good, YouTube? I go by the name of Tawan.
And I go by the name of Tashawn.
And what we have today is
another fitted hat drop from Hat Club.
From Hat Club.
You know what I'm saying? So this is the second one.
Second one. Ooh, yeah. This is a nice one.
Yes.
This is a nice one.
Yes.
Are y'all ready for this one?
Are y'all ready? Let's get it. Ooh, that mug is clean, boy.
That mug clean, boy.
That mug is clean, boy.
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and talk about it.
Alright, so what we have here is another fitted hat drop from Hat Club. So this is right here, this is the collection that they have dropped called Sangria collection. This is another two-tone joint right here. And what you have here is that, you know what I'm saying, that burgundy, you know what I'm saying? Like that little burgundy color boy right there with that navy brim right here. And then let's get into the logo real quick. So what you have here is the New York Mets logo in that yellow with that red trim and that blue trim right there. And what you have here is the side patch, boy. Let's talk about the side patch right here.
Let's talk about it.
So the side patch is the 1962 Mets 40th anniversary in 2002. So this is a 1962 all the way to 2002 40th anniversary, the Mets boy, in that yellow, blue, red, and white with a little dash of black in the colorway right here in the patch right here. It's really clean. And then what you also have here is that all yellow outline MLB logo in that maroon, yellow, and blue colorway right here. You know what I'm saying? And then also what you have here is that burgundy New Era logo right here. And then can't forget about the blue, like the navy blue top part right here. You know what I'm saying? And the little button. And then also what you have here is that gray underbrim. You know what I'm saying? That gray underbrim, you dig? And so, and what you have here also is that white sweatband. You know what I'm saying? That white sweatband. You know what I'm saying? And then let's get into the size. So this size is a 7.5. Hold on a second, let me. All right, so this is a 7.5 right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a 7.5. And what you have here is that New Era logo. You know what I'm saying? And then also what you have here is that Cooperstown collection. You know what I'm saying? With the logo, you dig? And yeah, man, this is a really clean fitted, man. Clean fitted. So Hat Club, they had did like a 30 for 30 drop. Like everything, the 30th anniversary or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. So they had dropped like certain collections under $30. So, you know, if you guys are interested in this fitted and the fitted that we had did previously, go ahead and copy you one of them, man, from those collections, man. You know what I'm saying? Really dope, really dope. So,
all right, let's go ahead and get to it. So you know what we do next, man?
Yes.
We take the stickers off, man.
All right.
I don't really rock with the stickers, man. I mean, if y'all rock with the stickers, that's cool with me. Comment below if y'all like y'all tags on your hats or if not, and why or why not. If you know, just comment below. Just comment below. Just comment below.
Yeah. All right. Let's
get to it. Let's go ahead and take this off. Yes, sir. We don't really the tags, man. I'm sorry. You know, I know I got a big head, man. 7.5, man. I don't want everybody to know I got a big head. You know what I'm saying? So let me just take the tag off this. All right, let's get it. Okay. Ooh, put off aggressive. You know what I'm saying? You gotta. All right. Ooh, this is 2 more tags. We don't really do these. I mean, I think people leave these on. Leave this one on. But anyway, we don't do that. We don't do that. Go ahead. Good thing. Okay. Rip the last one. Man, because we don't do no stickers.
So let's go ahead and bend this brim, shall we? You know what it is, that coffee mug. So you know, man, let me go ahead and do my thing real quick, man. Bend this brim real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? So,
in fact, I'll go ahead and bend it. Go ahead,
do your
thing.
Do your thing.
You know what I'm saying? You know, you gotta do it like this, you know, for the people who don't know how to.
Go ahead and show them quick, you know what I'm saying?
For the people who, you know, for the people who still are confused on how you bend your brim, I'm gonna just give you a quick little instruction real quick. Not too crazy. This is how you do it. Okay. This is how you do it. like this. Make sure you get the ends.
Make sure you get the ends.
Get the ends.
All right.
Get the ends. Like that. Make sure it's just right. So then, so where it look like this.
Yep.
At least.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And you.
Hold on 1 second. Then you gotta do this real quick. Hold on 1 second. Gotta have it like this. These two right here. You gotta have, you know what I mean, gotta make sure your fingers is on these two. You know what I'm saying? So, you don't wanna mess it up, go too crazy, because it might bend the middle part, you know.
So, let it, sit for a couple seconds, Your hat should be looking like this when it's sitting in that mug, you know what I'm saying? When it's sitting in that coffee mug, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Alright.
This is how it looks.
Yeah.
So try it on.
Oh yeah, let's try it on real quick, man. This is the fitted right here, so I'm gonna try it on real quick. Yeah, let's get it. Oh yeah, alright.
Yeah.
How am I looking?
Hard.
How am I looking, YouTube? How am I looking?
How's he looking when that fitted, man? What y'all think, man?
Do I look good or do I look good?
You know
Do I
what I'm
look
saying?
good or do I look good? You know what I'm saying? Do I look good? Do y'all think I should go ahead and just? I think I might as well just be a model for Hat Club at this point, man. I think I might as well go ahead and you know what I'm saying?
I think we should be
model for Hat Club, man.
I think we should
you know what I mean?
I think we should be models for Hat Club or something, man. Shot think, man. Shot think, man.
Yeah.
I'm rocking with it.
Yeah, we rocking with it. They rocking with it.
I'm rocking with it. For sure.
Alright.
Sure.
Alright.
Yep. The fitted.
So this the fitted, man. You know what I'm saying? New fitted drops. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Going crazy, man.
Going crazy.
My new favorite, man. My new favorite hat
Already.
by far. I like it.
Already.
So yeah, I think we got some good pickups.
Yeah.
So
Most definitely.
alright, so that's about it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube. We will continue to hit y'all in the heads with more videos.
Yeah, more content, man. Y'all be on the lookout. Alright, so see y'all next time. Peace.